Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper search widget to your Weebly website. A search bar helps visitors quickly find the content they're looking for, making your website easier to navigate and more user-friendly. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Search in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the search bar preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you need to enter the search engine ID and API key. After entering them, click Verify and Save Credential. You can follow the provided steps in the widget to get the search ID and API key. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose from different template styles. Then, open the Appearance tab. In this section, you can change the background, pop-up background, text color, and accent color. In Search Settings, you can change the placeholder text and set the maximum number of results to show. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Weebly site editor. Inside the editor, add a Embed Code block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.